Hey everyone, in this video we'll go over what's the best way to clean your whiteboard. Are you better off using a whiteboard cleaner or are you better off just using good old Windex? If you're new here, I'm a certified math and physics teacher in Ontario who holds a master's degree in statistics. So what we'll do here is we'll use the whiteboard cleaner on one half, the Windex on the other half. I'll just use a paper towel. So just good old paper towel. The left half here will be Windex. And there's about the same amount of writing. I use whiteboards to script videos, brainstorm ideas. Let's say I get a good idea late at night, I might just use this instead of going on my phone. So you see that good old Windex does a really good job. Everything goes away. It doesn't leave any marks. And sometimes you can use a whiteboard eraser, but they get gummy pretty quick with all the ink, right? So that's the left half here. I'll just finish up in the middle. Does a really good job. And let's do the other half. And this time I'll use a new paper towel. And the whiteboard cleaner I'm using here is the Expo Whiteboard Care. I think I was gifted this by a friend, or it came with the whiteboard perhaps. But so I just spray generously here. And I think you're supposed to wipe in circles, but I'm not sure how scientific that is. I feel like that's just Karate Kid stuff, but as you can see, it works pretty well. And what's the verdict here is that both products do a really good job at cleaning your whiteboard. So should you buy the whiteboard cleaner specifically for whiteboards? Probably not. It's probably a scam. Maybe I don't know everything, so do your research, but Windex does a pretty good job. So that's about it. I have a clean whiteboard now. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Do all the YouTube things. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, thank you for doing the work.